If you want to make all of your 3D dreams come true, check out this 3D pen from Kretrum. My name is Kate with WTI and I have been having so much fun. What I love about this printing pen is how easy it is to use. You do have to have it plugged in and then you just feed the filament through the back. It even has an auto feed if you want to be hands-free. The heat is also adjustable depending whether you're using ABS or PLA filament. It does come with 3 in the box. You have a blue, red, and like a fluorescent yellowy green. And it also comes with templates, so you can literally just trace out a design. Your filament acts as glue and you can put the pieces together to make a creation. I attempted, not very well, to make the bicycle, but it turned out kind of cute and you can come up with all of your own ideas. This would be great for the whole family. I also really like how it doesn't stay hot for more than 1 or 2 seconds. So as soon as it hits that plastic sheet, it's already firming up. It does come with some rubber tips for your finger though, if you do happen to have to handle it when it's hot. It even comes with a nice little stand and then it auto turns off after 2 minutes. So honestly, they thought of everything. Really simple design, but it can be fun to come up with all sorts of different ideas. So I think your family will enjoy it too, and that's my point of view.